Hi everyone, I'm Chew Jian Xing and I'm currently a third year student in Nanyang Technological University, NTU, Singapore. I'm majoring in chemistry and I'm doing my internship here in i3L in Jakarta because I really wanted to experience an international academic environment and have the experience of working in other countries within Southeast Asia. i3L stood out to me because of its strong focus on life science as well as its modern facilities which perfectly aligns with my studies. Honestly, there's been quite a few highlights. On the work side, I had the opportunity to dive into the cosmetic industry by focusing on improving existing documentation and conducting in-depth market research. It was a great chance to step back from the science side of things and look at the broader commercial and operational trends within cosmetics. Outside of the office, I've just been exploring Jakarta, visiting the different malls, enjoying the amazing local street food and cafes has been a fantastic experience. I believe that this program has been extremely valuable for my future career. Since my background is heavily rooted in science, getting experience with the regulatory and compliance sides of the cosmetic industry was incredibly insightful. Specifically, learning how to navigate regional legislations and frameworks such as BPOM is crucial, as understanding product safety and strict regulatory standards is highly important no matter which sector of life science you go into. Adapting to an international office environment and even picking up some bahasa has also made me more confident and well-rounded. I would say be open-minded and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Be it a new type of project or just figuring out how to navigate a new city, I believe that every challenge is an opportunity to grow. So you can dive into the local culture, talk to the people around you, make more friends, and make the most of your experience both professionally and personally. A huge thank you to i3L University for this incredible opportunity and to all the faculty and staff members for such a warm welcome. I'm really grateful for the friends I made here in Jakarta, and I would like to give a special thanks to Mr. Bobby and Ms. Petra for their constant support and guidance throughout my internship journey. It has been a truly remarkable experience. Thank you.